Now I'm going to show you how to add the client Experion, which is using XP, to the server 2008 domain. Now this is the server 2008 in the background, which I alt control delete from the machine tab so I can get the server to come up. Now there are two ways that you can actually get into the network, by clicking start and then clicking on network, or since I have my initial configuration task screen set to always come up, so I could configure networks, provide computer name and domain, and add rules and features. I could also use it from here. You see currently it says I have IPv4 address assigned by DHCP. So now I'm going to click on the configure networks, and the next screen that comes up is my local area connection. Now what you need to do too is right click on network adapters, and using the drop down arrow it will be on NAT and change it to internal network. Now we already have it here, so let's click back OK. Now you're going to right click your local area connection and click on properties. In the network tab you'll see I have the Internet Protocol version 6 enabled, so we're just going to unclick that version, and here we have the version that I want to change, and click properties, and it says this is default wide area network protocol, right? And here you see you can set up your IP automatically, that's the DHCP, or you could use manually this following IP address. Now you see the subnet mask as automatically gives you the address. And then you're going to use this as the preferred DNS server, same as your default gateway. And you're going to click OK. Click close. So now we're going to go to the XP and do the same thing. Right click on the network adapters icon at the bottom of the screen. So we're going to do the same thing. You're going to right click the network adapters at the bottom of the screen, and as same thing with the server 2008, you're going to click on internal network, and you're changing NAT in the drop down arrow. Click OK. Now you can right click the actual icon, you can open network connections from there, or you could go in the start, click control panel and click network connections. I'm going to right click properties. Now a little message comes up in the background because it's not seeing any IP connection, so we're going to create one now because we want it to be able to attach the same IP address as the server. So you're going to click on the Internet Protocol TCP IP, click properties, and just like the server 2008 you're going to use the following IP address. We know we don't have any connectivity right now. And we're going to enter in the client, and subnet mask comes up again. Enter the same default gateway as our server, and we click OK. Click close, and it says that it is connected. Now to make sure it is connected, you could use the run command and click OK. There's going to ask you what it is you want to do, and I want to ping the server. And click enter. And there is telling you it has pinged 4 packets, received 4, lost 0. So we are connected. I'll do roaming folder next. So now all that's left is to join the computer. To the domain, click start. You right click on my computer, click on properties, click on computer name, click change. In my version you have to change the work group to protex.com. and click OK. And there you see welcome to the protex.com work group. Say OK. And say you must restart this computer for the changes to take effect. Say OK. Click OK. You must restart your computer. So say yes.